Today, let me share 6 red flags to look out for while buying land from a real estate company. It is like many people have been conned while buying land from real estate companies. And these are the red flags you should look for. First, if the company is selling a property that is not under their own name, that's normally a very big red flag. So the moment you see the title deed, because the moment now you've identified the property and you ask for the title deed and it's not under the name of the company, a company is a separate legal entity from an individual. So let them, even if the company is trying to say it's because sometimes when it's under the name of individuals, the company will be like, these are directors of the company, so like there's no problem. No, it has to be under the name of the company. Yes, maybe you may find maybe if they just bought that they're still in the process. You wait. They're in the process of not transferring it under their name. Wait for it to be under their name and then do a search and confirm it's actually under their name. Then you can proceed. The other thing is the company selling property without a title deed. That's the biggest red flag. No matter what kind of excuse you are given, just run. Like, run and don't turn back. Just run. That's you can't, because like what, because under the Land Registration Act, ownership, to confirm ownership of property, it's normally supposed to be under the name of the, like, to know this property. Let's say for instance, like, even this, like, property A is belongs to me, it has to be under my name. Like, that's the only way I can prove it's, of course there's, like, just on the face of it, of course sometimes maybe there are other factors, but on the face of it, for me to sell you this property saying it's mine, the thing I should have to show that it's mine is at least a title deed, that before even I know you start doing due diligence. So the moment there's no title deed, run. It doesn't matter what kind of excuse, because normally these companies normally do, they lie to you that it's a hot cake. They tell you don't make payment right now, we'll send you everything, just make payment right now, then don't. And then now again, as I've said, an individual is selling the property on behalf of the company. As I've stated, a company is a separate legal entity. So if you are buying property from ABC Real Estate Company, it has to be you're buying from ABC Real Estate Company. The directors of the company come in when not, of course, signing the sale agreement, but the property has to be being sold. It has to have the name of ABC and it's being sold on behalf of ABC Real Estate Company. And then the other thing is, as I've stated, the sale agreement, even though you're buying from the company, of course, the people who will sign on behalf of the company, the real estate company, is the directors. So you have to, that's why you have to do a search. You have to do a search on the company, see who the directors are. Those are the people who are supposed to sign the sale agreement. Remember, there was a time a client of mine came, he had already identified the property, he really wanted this property. So he came with everything, he had the search and everything, but now the sale agreement was under the name of the surveyor. And now for him, he felt, because they had convinced him, like, yeah, the surveyor has been given authority. I was like, no, if he has been given authority, we need a specific power of attorney from the company giving him authority to sign that title deed. It has to be signed by the directors of the company. The sale agreement. It can be signed by non-directors. It doesn't matter who it is. Then the other red flag is you are paying the purchase price to an individual's account. Again, if you're buying property from ABC Real Estate Company, you should be paying to ABC Real Estate Company. Let them give you an account that is registered under ABC Real Estate Company. Luckily, these are some things also you should, because the bank nowadays, if you have a company, when you go to the bank to register, they do a background, they ensure at least by the time you're registering, it's an officially registered company. So even you're protecting yourself. So ensure, because the moment they even preferring for you to send money to an individual, you may find even maybe there's something off about that company, the real estate company. So ensure when you are making payments, you're not paying to an individual, you're paying to a real estate company. If the moment you are paying to an individual, that's a big red flag. Run. This is now a very common one. They normally ask for payment at the beginning, like before even you do your own due diligence. They normally know there's something wrong, so they don't want to give you that opportunity. But most clients who come after they have been conned by real estate companies, they'll tell you that they were pressured at the beginning. You can't, there's no way you can make payment then do due diligence. Then even why are you doing due diligence? It doesn't make sense. because you've already made payment. Because the reason why you're doing due diligence in the first place is for you to confirm that this is a legit property, then now you make payment. So the moment you're being told to make payment before you do your own due diligence, run. So those are the red flags.